Welcome students. So we are learning our second chapter of class 12 physics, that is mechanical properties of fluids. In today's class we will see some problems from your textbook. Okay, so our first problem is problem number 18. So first I will read the problem. Calculate the rise of water inside a clean glass capillary tube of radius 0.1 mm. So we have to find the rise of water. हमें क्या find करने का है? Rise means we have to find height. Okay, that is rise of water inside a clean glass capillary tube of radius 0.1 mm. जो रेडियस दिया है हमें वो है 0.1 mm. So first I will complete. When immersed in water of surface tension 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter, the angle of contact between water and glass is 0. Density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So what is here? R, that is radius, surface tension, that is T, 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter, theta, that is angle of contact, is 0 degree, and density, that is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. The value of G we know that 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. So in this problem we have to find the rise of capillary tube. So what is basically formula for that? H is equal to 2t cos theta upon rho rg. So this is the formula which we have to use. So just put the value now. Here 2 into t is 7 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so they have given us radius in millimeter. So first we will have to convert it into meter, that is 0.1 10 to the power minus 3, means 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Okay, so this is the radius. Cos theta means cos 0 divided by, what is rho here? 1000. So we can write 1000 as 10 to the power 3. So this is 10 to the power 3. Radius after converting we have 10 to the power minus 4, and the value of G is 9.8. So H is equal to, so this is 2 into 7, that is 14 into 10 to the power minus 2. Cos 0 is 1. What is cos 0? That is 1. Here 3 minus 4, that will be minus 1 into 9.8. So H is equal to, we have a 14 divided by 9.8. Now 10 to the power minus 2, this minus 1 will go upside, it will be plus 1. Okay, from that you can write this H is 14 upon 9.8 into this minus 2 plus 1, that will be 10 to the power minus 1. So now by using log table you have to find the 14 divided by 9.8. Okay, so you will get it 1.42 into 10 to the power minus 1 meter, and this is nothing but 0.142 meter. So this is our answer. H is equal to 0.142 meter. Okay, so let's see next problem. So the next problem is problem number 19. An air bubble of radius 0.2 mm is situated just below the water surface. Calculate the gauge pressure. Surface tension of water is 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. So we have an air bubble of radius that is 0.2 mm, means 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Calculate the gauge pressure. Here gauge pressure is nothing but what? Excess pressure. Gauge pressure means here excess pressure. So that we will show just by P. In case of our Laplace law, we have denoted Pi minus Po. Now here we will just, it can denote by P. So that is we have to find it, and they have given us the surface tension, that is 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. Okay, so in case of this problem, they have told us an air bubble of radius 0.2 mm. So ये जो है ये एयर बबल है, लेकिन ये कहाँ पे सिचुएटेड है? जस्ट बिलो द वाटर सरफेस. अभी यहाँ पे क्या है? एयर का ये बबल है और ये कहाँ है? वाटर के सरफेस के अंदर है. सो फॉर दिस एयर बबल वी हैव ओनली इनसाइड प्रेशर, नॉट आउटसाइड. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम जो दो फॉर्मूले हैं हमारे 2T/R एंड 4T/R, उसमें का जो 2T/R वाला फॉर्मूला है वही यूज़ करेंगे, क्योंकि जब इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड दोनों तरफ एयर होगा तब हम 4T/R यूज़ करते हैं. लेकिन अभी जो प्रॉब्लम में मेंशन किया है वहाँ पे एक ही सरफेस है, अंदर का ही सरफेस है, इसलिए हमें जो फॉर्मूला यूज़ करने का है दैट इज़ 2T/R. So just put the value. This is 7.2 10 to the power minus 2. The value of R, okay, so the value of R, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Let's cancel this. Then you can write 7.2, this is minus 2, this minus 4 will plus 4. Okay, now we have 7.2 10 to the power plus 2, and from that I can write 720, okay, Newton per meter square. जो आपका जो टेक्स्ट बुक है, टेक्स्ट बुक में इसका आंसर 7200 है और रॉन्ग आंसर है. सो दिस इज आवर राइट आंसर, 720 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके.